Hey guys, I'm back today with UberChic Beauty's Moroccan Delight plate, and this is the second plate that they have that has a Moroccan feel, and I will link down below my review of the first one. But this just has a bunch of different patterns and this sort of a little bit mosaic, a little bit of, I'm not sure what you would call this. It's not filigree, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, these patterns are really, really popular right now. I see them in jewelry, I see them in home decor, I see them in all kinds of things. So if you want that look for your nails, this is a great way to do it. And it's great for, you can have white, stamp this in blue over it. You could have, blue, stamp it in green. Simple, easy manicure, but really in fashion right now. Really chic, really hot, really cute looking. And then you can go a little bit deeper. You could stamp over, this kind of thing looks really good over smoosh manis so that you've got different colors below and it really does capture that mosaic. Or you could go in and literally, make a decal and reverse stamp this by doing some different colors there in the different areas of the design, like a real mosaic. She gives you, as always, the individual designs so you can layer or have the small ones on certain nails and not on others, or layer them on top. And so let's say you stamp this image right here on your nail, and then you could go down and stamp this like 3 times, 1, 2, 3 down the length of your nail in a coordinating color, and that would be super cute. So I've always said that's one of the things I love about UberChic Beauty, is that she gives those coordinating images that allow you to do that. One of the things that I love to do with these is just stamp it once here, like instead of putting like a little rhinestone or something there, just stamp that once right there. And I think that is a really cute little way to get an easy decoration that, like, rhinestones don't pop off necessarily as easily as rhinestones can. This one here, to me, I want to just mention that this one here almost looks like holly leaves. So I love, if you were wanting something for like a holiday design, I think that this is actually kind of cool to get like a mosaic holiday design from that corner. So just saying, because that's how my crazy brain works. This is just one of those versatile plates that you can do as little with or as much with as you want to. UberChic's full nail images are 1.7 by 2.1 centimeters. And there is a shot with the ruler so you can see how big those center images are and get a feel for that. And now let's go do some test looks. So let's do a quick little recap here. Here, out of order, is the red and the black look. First one where I did the beige and the blue and then stamped the blue accents over it. And then finally this gold on this brown, which I really, really love. I think that's very pretty and a really nice holiday look, actually. All right, I will put in a still here. I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.